10 grapefruit benefits you're going to enjoy. Juicy, tart, full of flavor and great health benefits. When it comes to citrus season, grapefruits are often considered to be the healthiest option of all. People add them to their diet for various reasons, from improving immunity to weight control. So, whether you like to eat the pulp or simply extract it for the juice, adding grapefruit to your diet this autumn and winter will offer you numerous health benefits. Welcome to Superfoods and this video on 10 grapefruit benefits you're going to enjoy. We put out informative videos about food and health and look forward to you subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments too. Please remember to turn notifications on for more healthy lifestyle content, such as today's video. Consult your doctor or nutritionist on the quantities best suited to you. Now, let's discover what makes grapefruit so good. It is loaded with antioxidants. If there's one thing that sets grapefruits apart from other citrus fruits, are the number of antioxidants present. Antioxidants are important for the body as they remove free radicals, which are pesky things with the ability to hurt tissues and cause inflammation. Grapefruits are packed with antioxidants, such as lycopene, flavonoids, and beta-carotene, which offer immense health benefits that range from helping prevent cancer to muscular degeneration. Antioxidants give your body an overall health boost, and grapefruits are one of the best options to treat your body to them. It can help the immune system. Along with antioxidants, grapefruit is also rich in vitamin A and C. The latter itself is a very powerful antioxidant that can help strengthen the body's immune system to fight diseases caused by bacteria and viruses. Several studies have shown a link between vitamin C and a greater ability to cope with a common cold. Similarly, vitamin A has been known to protect against inflammation caused by bacteria. Grapefruits also come packed with various B vitamins and minerals, such as iron, zinc, and copper, all of which are required by the body to develop immunity. It's perfect for losing weight. Consuming grapefruits often leads to bloating, which means that a person feels full. This is due to a large amount of water and fiber inside grapefruits. Both combined help with appetite control. You can decrease the amount of food you eat just by adding grapefruits to your diet, as they help in decreasing the need to snack in between meals. They're even better as snacks, since grapefruits are mostly water and have very few calories. A medium-sized grapefruit is a decent helping of fruit, but clocks in just a little more than 100 calories. If you're going on a diet soon, grapefruits are what you need. Can help control diabetes. Elevated glucose levels are another thing that grapefruit can help you with, offering you great support to fight diabetes. What grapefruits help with in particular is decreasing insulin resistance inside your cells. Insulin resistance is the result of diabetes, where the cells refuse to take in insulin, which hampers the conversion of glucose to glycogen in what is known as the body's glycemic response. With grapefruits, you can ensure that your cells do not show resistance to insulin and go through with the glycogen conversion. Keeps the heart healthy. According to several studies, grapefruits showcase a strong effect on heart health. Grapefruits can help reduce cholesterol and blood pressure, both of which bode well for the heart. Decreasing bad cholesterol inside the bloodstream keeps blood vessels from being clogged. Open blood vessels help take added stress off the heart for blood circulation. An unstressed heart is a healthy heart and also guarantees a healthy body. Can save you from strokes. Another key component of grapefruits is flavonoids. They are present in nearly all plants, and their large presence in grapefruits makes the fruit an ideal way of getting them into your body. Flavonoids can reduce the risk of strokes, particularly among women. This is true for most citrus fruits, according to a study that suggested that consuming more citrus fruits led to a 19% decrease in ischemic strokes. Help your body with digestion. Grapefruits are loaded with fiber. More than just making you feel fuller, fiber does a lot more for the body. The most important of its many health benefits is the fact that fiber is imperative for digestion. Fiber helps your intestines push ingested food along and positively influences nutrient reabsorption. However, make sure you eat the pulp as well for this. Just drinking the juice will net you no fiber whatsoever. Can reduce chances of kidney stones. Kidney stones come about when waste accumulates inside the kidneys rather than being excreted out of the body. One of the major forms of kidney stones is the calcium oxalate stone, with organic substances combining with calcium to make that. Grapefruits can help you reduce the risk of developing these kinds of stones in particular. Grapefruits are rich in citric acid, which stops substances from binding with calcium and developing the stones. While this does not guarantee complete protection from kidney stones, it is a good measure of protection. Keeps you hydrated. While the chill of winters makes sure that you don't sweat out water, they are still rife for dehydration. People tend to forget to drink the water due to cold weather, often ending up dehydrating themselves without realizing it. Grapefruit offers a lot of water content. Even if you're not drinking water like you regularly do, the fruit can help you stay hydrated for long periods throughout the day. It's a solid fix against dehydration if just drinking water isn't your thing. May help prevent cancer. As mentioned, the antioxidants inside grapefruits offer all kinds of benefits. It's lycopene and vitamin C in particular that are known to offer protection against cancer. They reduce inflammation and help make sure that carcinogens do not get to disrupt the body. Do you know of some other health benefit provided by them? We remind you to consult a nutritionist or doctor when using anything new in your diet. This is Superfoods, and we thank you for watching our video on 10 grapefruit benefits you're going to enjoy, and also invite you to subscribe to our channel and share your experience in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about other amazing superfoods, make sure you browse our Superfoods channel for some amazing ideas on healthy lifestyle. Like if you enjoyed it, share with friends and subscribe for more healthy content. Thanks for watching.